In this video we're going to be looking at solving inequalities. So again, this is something that we've been doing from Key Stage 3 and again looked at in GCSE. So it's just to practice the skills that we've already learned, just a reminder. Okay, first thing I would do if we look at the first example, we've got 3 upon x minus 4 is greater than 5x plus 7. Brackets, first thing we need to do is expand the brackets. So when we expand the brackets, we get 5x minus 12 is greater than 5x plus 7. Now there's two ways of going about solving this. I'm going to just talk through both of them quickly for you. Again, it doesn't matter what way you do it, it's personal preference. So if we have a look at the left-hand side, what I've decided to do is to keep the x term positive. So take away the 3x from both sides, which leaves us with then minus 12 greater than 2x plus 7. Subtracting 7 from both sides, we get minus 19 greater than 2x, which means minus 19 over 2 is greater than x. Then just turning it over to have the x first, so x is less than minus 19 over 2. Other way to do it, to keep the x on the left hand side, if we subtract away then 5x from both sides, we're left with minus 2x, take away 12 is greater than 7. Adding 12x to both, or 12 to both sides, you get minus 2 greater than 19. Now you want to get x on its own. To do that, you've got to divide both sides by minus 2. So remember, important rule, when we're dividing by a negative in inequalities, you must change the sign. So we need to flip the sign over to be a less than. So once we divide both sides by minus 2, we end up with x being less than minus 19 over 2. So remember, dividing by a negative, you must change the sign. A second example, again, nothing more difficult really than in example 1, just a bit more algebra of simplifying to do. So first thing, again, expand out the bracket. So by doing that, you get 3x plus 4 minus x plus 2 greater than 4 minus 2x. Again, simplify everything and then collect like terms, basic algebra skills. So doing that, you get 2x plus 6 greater than 4 minus 2x. Now collecting like terms, so I'm going to add 2x to both sides. I get 4x plus 6 greater than 4, taking the 6 away, 4x greater than minus 2, and finally to get x, you need to divide both sides by 4, and you're left with x being greater than minus 2 over 4, and remember, simplify your fraction, x is greater than minus a half.